4 amazing benefits kung meron kang health insurance. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 4, 3 times claim of your coverage. Kung 1 million pesos ang coverage mo, you can claim ng up to 3 million pesos. Number 3, life benefit. If something bad happens to you, your beneficiary will receive your coverage as an inheritance from you. Number 2, waiver of premium. If ma-diagnosed ka with a major illness, then kahit hindi mo pa tapos bayaran ang plan mo, your plan will now be automatically fully paid. And all you need to do is enjoy your coverage. Number 1, health benefit. If healthy ka lang naman din all throughout your life, then all your savings will be given back to you, no questions asked. Ikaw kapatid, what